Is it going? Alright, well, I'm Bmxboy Zach, and this is my bike check. I'm running Redneck S&M stem. I think these are slam bars. Forks are kink. I'm running an Alienation front rim, Mongoose tire, pretty nice. And I'm riding stolen pegs. I'm riding my friend that just did his bike checks, Fit Trail 3 seat and Primo pedals. And I'm riding a Haro crank. It's really old. Chain wheel is a metal bikes, and back rim's a stolen cheater.
Revolver, but you got
Revolver and whatever. And
kind of frame.
I'm riding a fly frame, sealed bearings, and fit grips. And that's my bike check.